Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to create a content calendar on Asana, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account on Asana, and I am in a project which I have named social media. I've used this in the past, so I think it's pretty useful to use now, and I'll be showing you guys how to create a content calendar from here. As you can see, it is completely empty. It only has this one section named Reels, which I will promptly delete, but now it is fully empty. And as you can see, no tasks, no subtasks, no sections, completely empty. Now, to create a calendar, we'll be going over to the calendar view. So since this helps a bit, I'll be going over it into the week view, and then I'll save the view like so. And now, as you can see, you can view the weeks like so. For some reason, Sunday and Saturday are sort of shortened like this. If I click on any one of them, I don't know why I cannot add tasks. For some reason, this keeps happening. I don't know how to fix this, but you can add tasks to whichever day you want. As you can see, currently it's set to Sunday, and now it completely shows both Saturday and Sunday. I'm not sure why that happened, but you can set a task for any day that you want. For example, if I want to do a task on Tuesday, I'll click here, add task, and then, I don't know, click or call it, I don't know, make post. So now I have this task, and if I click on it, I can change whatever I want with it. As you can see, the due date is set to Tuesday, but if you plan on posting every single Tuesday, you can just click on the due date, then click here on set to repeat, and make sure it repeats itself weekly on Tuesday. And as you can see, that's ticked off, and every single Tuesday from the 10th on is selected. You can also set a time. I am pretty sure the best time for uploading content is around 10 a.m. through 2 p.m. So I'll just set it at midday. So just set it like that. And as you can see, now it is set like so. You can assign it to yourself if you want to receive updates. And as you can see, you can make it or assign it to a project as well. You can add dependencies, add other fields such as a time or something else, and you can make a description or add subtasks, or also even upload files if you want to. I'm not sure where that button is at the moment, but that is pretty much how you create a task. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, it's going to be repeating every single Tuesday. It doesn't show it for the 17th, but you can be sure that it is set for weekly, since as you can see, it has this repeating arrow right here. And that is pretty much how you make a content plan. You just add the task that you want, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.